Yo, what's up guys, I'm Jenny from Producer Schooll, and in this tutorial I will show you how to make an Avicii style melody and lead. I came up with the idea for this video about 1 week ago when I saw the interview that he did with Future Music. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and let's get started. But before the tutorial starts, I want to do a quick shout out to an app with millions of different communities for people to talk about their passions and interests. The app is called Amino, and our favorite community is the music production community, of course. And in this app, music producers from all over the world are sharing their songs and pictures of studios in the community. So it's a great place to get inspired and connect with the best up and coming producers in the world. There are also a lot of chat rooms with different topics, such as a style of music like this one. We are doing a Q&A tomorrow in our own Q&A chat, where we'll be answering your questions for the next 84 hours. So make sure to download the Amino music production app in the Play or App Store. I will leave link in the description. So now let's move on to the tutorial. I already created some chords like this. And this is just a really basic chord progression. And what we want to do first is create the layers that we want to use. Avicii used this layer a lot, Squarely 2, in just the basic presets of Nexus, and it goes like this. I think it sounds familiar to you if you know Avicii. And this one, it's double square. And the last one I'm going to use is a silent preset called Plug GB, and it's just a pretty basic plug. So we are going to create a melody with this, and I'm going to start just with one layer like this one, and I'm going to create a melody on the chords that I already wrote. And I think Avicii was one of the best melody creators in the EDM scene, and he used a lot of tricks in his melodies, like notes going pretty fast. So I will show it to you. I want to go down like this, and with this part you already get that Avicii feeling. So I'm going to copy this again and then put it in there. And now I want it to go up. Let me just search for the right note, maybe this one. Maybe we can copy this part again. We have to move this a bit. So yeah, I like this first idea of the melody, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to snap to grid and then select 1/4 step, so I can create smaller notes like this, smaller. And Avicii did some cool things with his melodies, such as putting a note underneath the original note and then move the original note to the right. So you can hear that kind of fast note going on there. So yeah, I like this idea. Let's copy this. And then it should go down, I think. And you can hold shift and use the arrows up and down to make the note go down like this. And this one should go down there, I think. We just like step. And let's make this one a bit longer. So this is the first part of the melody, and the second part of the melody I just wanted to go up, I think here in the last part. So let's do that. Maybe this. And what Avicii also did pretty often is one last long note in the last part of the melody. Maybe this one. So yeah, I think the melody sounds pretty similar to Avicii's melodies. Of course, it's not the best melody, but yeah, I'm not Avicii. So let's copy this melody and put it in the other layers. I think we have to put this one up. So let's mix them a bit, just put an EQ on it. Wrong one. This one. And of course, reverb. So then this is the final result. This was just the basic tutorial on how to make Avicii style leads and Avicii style melody. I hope you liked this tutorial. Make sure to leave a like and I'll see you in the next tutorial.